Once a cap seller was going to sell his caps in a village market. He was going through the forest and was carrying a basket of red caps on his head. He got tired in the heat of the sun and thought of lying down under the tree for some time. He put his basket on the ground and fell asleep. There were monkeys on that tree. They came down and one by one took all the caps from the cap seller's basket. Then they climbed onto the tree. When the cap seller woke up, he was shocked to see his basket empty. He searched for his caps everywhere. To his surprise, he saw the monkeys were wearing them. He thought for a while, and he started throwing his cap down, and monkeys did so. The cap seller collected all his caps and put them back in his basket and went away happily. Moral of the story: we should deal with wisdom in tough situations because wisdom helps during difficult times. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more similar videos.